It's very simple. I'm going to ask you a few questions. I'm just going to point at some elements. Thank you very much. I'm going to point at some elements, and you just have to shout out metal or non-metal. Right? Do you think you can do that? Yeah, are you sure? I'm not seeing a nod from everyone. I'm not hearing anything from... I thought you Americans were supposed to be loud. So, right, can you arrange metals and non-metals?
Yes.
That's more like it. This is what I see on the telly and stuff. It's what I come to expect. Okay, mercury, metal or non-metal?
Metal.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Mercury, metal or non-metal?
Metal.
Thank you very much. How do you know it's a metal? Because it conducts. Yes, very good. What's special about mercury? It's liquid at room temperature. Most people just say it's liquid, but yes, it is liquid at room temperature. Watch this. Maybe that's what you meant earlier about, you know, arranging stuff into different categories. Okay, iron, metal or non-metal?
Metal.
Metal. How do you know it's metal? Because it conducts electricity and because it looks like metal. And that's a very good answer actually. It looks like metal. It's kind of, what do you mean it looks like metal? It's kind of
silvery hard.
Silvery. I like that. I like all those answers. Very good. It's yes, all of that. It's what she just said. Oxygen. How do you know it's a non-metal? It's a gas. It's a gas specifically at room temperature. Thank you very much. Great. There's your list. Note it down in your notebooks or whatever if you're one of my students, and if you're not, then just bask in the glory that you've done the activity and it's over. Right then, folks. What I've shown you is I've shown you a little bit of the gallery that not a lot of people use. These last two activities are ready-made. Smart Notebook includes them for you. And if you use them, you're going to save yourself a whole load of time. They're great because they're already there and they want you to use them. Not a lot of people do. So when you install Smart Notebook, you probably won't have these two things, Gallery Essentials and Lesson Activity Toolkit. The Lesson Activity Toolkit is absolutely vital if you want to save yourself loads of time. Like I said, Smart Notebook 9.7 doesn't come with this pre-installed, so if you're going to install it on your computer, install Lesson Activity Toolkit as well at the same time, because you need this in your life. Okay then, so once you've installed Lesson Activity Toolkit, you should have a thing in the gallery that looks like this. Last time I showed you pictures. Pictures are pretty simple. To put a picture in, you just drag and drop. Easy. What I didn't show you is this interactive multimedia bit. So in Lesson Activity Toolkit, there's an interactive multimedia bit. Now this is where all those activities are that I showed you earlier. Let's take a look down there. If we look really closely, we can see a little vortex thing over here. So to make a little vortex sorter, all we need to do, surprise, surprise, is drag and drop. And it makes it for us. And there it is. That's our activity. Almost ready. So, what we need to do is to get this thing to work, we just need to edit it so that the bubbles are down here and the vortexes are labelled with the appropriate things. When you take any activity from the Lesson Activity Toolkit, if you don't know what it does, just click on a question mark. And a question mark will tell you what it does, create your own vortex sort activity, etc. So there's always a question mark at the top of the activities. But we're going to go straight in because we know how this works already. So just go up to edit there, and we'll call the first vortex metals. We'll call the next one non-metals, and we'll put the labels in. So I'm hoping that you picked up a few metals and non-metals from earlier. Can I have a metal, please? Tin, thank you very much. And a non-metal? Oxygen. Oxygen, lovely. Like that one. Metal? Copper. Copper, yeah. Non-metal? Sulfur. Sulfur, marvellous. One more metal. Iron. Thank you very much. And one more non-metal. Selenium. Selenium. That's pretty good actually. Selenium is a non-metal indeed. And let's click OK to that.